Welcome to another mathematics presentation. So in this presentation, I want us to answer this question right here. So this is a question coming from vectors. So the question reads, in the diagram, OAPB is a parallelogram. The point Q is on BP such that BQ to QP is equal to 3 to 1. Express the following in terms of A vector and or B vector. So when it comes to vectors, colleagues, it's very important that you pay attention to each and every information they have given you because you are going to use it. Now, when you look at our diagram right here, they are saying this is a parallelogram. So there are some features of the parallelogram that you must know. So we have the length OA, which is, we have vector A. Then you also have this other length BP. So this BP and OA, these two length sides are equal. Okay, so if here from O to A you have A vector, it means that even here from B to P, we are going to have what? A vector. I hope this information is clear. So even here, we are going to have A vector. Now, we breathe AP is also equal to OB. So if OB is equal to B vector, even AP is going to have what? A B vector. And the direction will be moving like this. Even here, the direction will be like this. Very important. Now, let's look at our question A. So our question A, they are saying, can you find AP? AP. Have you seen? So here, there's no need to waste time. Your AP will just be equal to what? A B vector, which is this one here. No need to waste time. Let us now move on to question B. 2, we need to find PB. So we need to find what? PB. Now, which one is our PB? P. Okay? P. And where is our B? It's right here. Again, for this one, there's no need for you to waste time because we are saying OA is equal to BP. So whatever is on OA right here, which is A vector, even PB, we are going to have A vector. Now, what's the difference here? The difference is that PB is against this direction right here, you can see. So this one is going to have a negative A. This is our PB. Okay, we now move on to our third question right here. We need to find PQ. We need to find what? PQ. So how do you find PQ? PQ. So this is now where this information is coming in. Okay, where they said BQ to QP is equal to 3. So here there is a 3 and here there is a 1. Okay, this is very, very important information. So it means that QP there is 1 and the BQ there is a 3. So the entire distance now for PB, you add the 3 plus 1, which is a 4. So to find the PQ, you get its ratio, which is a 1. So you get a 1 here over the total distance, which is 3 plus 1, you get a 4. Okay, then you are going to multiply with the entire line for PB. So you multiply with PB right here. Because PB we already have, which is this one on top. So what you are going to do is you just write 1 over 4 times, what is our PB? We have a negative what? A, which is right here on top here. So your final answer, you are just going to have a negative 1 over 4, then A vector. So this is our answer. Okay, this is our vector for PQ. I hope this is clear. So we now come to, we have now come to 4 right here, where we need to find AQ. So we need to find what? AQ. So where is our AQ? Let's identify. We need to find AQ. This one right here. So for this AQ, you can say AP plus PQ, or you can say AO plus OQ. Okay? Or you can say AO plus OB plus BQ. Now, when you say AO plus OQ, you don't have OQ. Okay, it's the one that you come and find here. So you can only move, you can say AO plus OB plus BQ. Again, for BQ, you don't have, you need to start finding it like the way you have found PQ. So don't start stressing yourself. Use the directions where you have values. So AP, you have, it's a B vector here. And the PQ we have, is what we are just from answering. So we are going to move AQ, okay? AQ is equal to we say AP then plus PQ. This is our movement. So AP, we have a B vector here, plus our PQ. This is what you have answered right here, which is negative 1 over 4. So here we put in brackets negative 1 over 4A. This is what we have answered. So from here, we are going to say B vector, positive times negative, we'll get negative 1 over 4A vector. So this is our answer. This is our AQ. I hope this is clear. Let us now move on to the last one. Okay, so for the last one, we need to find the OQ. So OQ, this is our OQ. You can check here. We need to find this OQ. So how do we find OQ? So to find OQ, it's very easy. Okay, how do we find this OQ? So let's see. So to find our OQ, we are going to do this. OQ, we said this is our OQ right here. So for this OQ, we said you can move like you say OB plus BQ, or you can say OA plus AQ. Okay, or you can say OA plus AP plus PQ. You get the same answer. So here you need to identify the movement of the direction. That will be easier for you, and where you have values. So for OB plus BQ, it's a short way also. Now for BQ, we don't have it. It means you need to find BQ. Okay, so better you move OA plus AQ, because the AQ is already here. So we are going to say here, we are going to say OQ is equal to, so let's use OA plus AQ. So move OA plus AQ. So the reason why we are using this is very easy for us, because we already have AQ, and OA is a vector right here, plus what is our AQ? Our AQ, we have this one, which is a B vector minus a 1 over 4 A vector. So from here, we can try to look for the common denominator here, and we divide this, we make it a fraction, even this one. So 1 into 4, it's 4 times A, you get 4A vector, plus 1 into 4, it's 4 times B, you get again 4B. Okay, then minus. Okay, so here 4 into 4, it's 1 times 1A, you get just A there. So from here, 4A minus A, we are going to get 3A. Okay, 4A minus A will get 3A, then plus C, 4B. Okay, over 4B. Then we can put it in brackets like this. Then we can divide here, we say 1 over 4, we put it outside, because even if you multiply 1 over 4 times this one, which is in brackets, you get this on top. Okay, so what I've done here is we have just corrected the like terms. This 4A, the like term is a negative A. So 4A minus A, you get 3A, and then plus this same 4B. Okay, so our OQ will be like this. So this is our answer. So thank you so much, everybody. We've come to the end of our short presentation. So if you need online tuitions, you can WhatsApp me on 0963 676615. Okay, just WhatsApp this number 0963 676615 for online tuitions in mathematics and the biology. So thank you so much once again. Bye bye.